How to log out of an AI flashcard app. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen or dashboard, look for the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it and you will see options for profile and settings. Select settings and here you will find sections for account, support, help and more. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see the logout button. Tap on it and you will be successfully logged out of your AI flashcard account. This is especially useful if you are switching accounts, sharing your device with someone else, or simply want to keep your account secure. Now you know exactly how to log out of the Knowt AI Flashcard app quickly and safely. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.